Alright, so welcome back, crew. Welcome back for day 3 of the paint of the 1955 Chevy pickup truck. And today we are finishing up some parts. We're doing basically the back end, and I do got one door that I didn't do yesterday. It wouldn't fit in the paint booth, but today we're doing fenders, rear fenders, and also the side beddings for the tailgate. I'm gonna turn you guys around so we can go ahead and get right into this video. So this is what we got going on. Got the temperature up. I'm about to cut that heater off. I already sprayed down the floor, and we're about to get going, guys. So I'm gonna set you guys up and let's get to it. Alright, so that's my second coat. Everything's clearing really good. I had like a little fisheye on this panel here the first go around, but ain't nothing I could do. I just had to paint. First run, I actually put too much paint trying to get up here in that corner. I got a little run right there, which is no problem. Everything else laid down pretty good. Let this sit for 15 minutes. Go mix some paint up and shoot the last coat. Let's do it. First coat of clear. crew. So hey, this is day 3 and this is the last of these parts, the rear end parts. I didn't do the tailgate because I gotta work on the tailgate a little bit more, but this is it for the rear fenders. So able to get both of them in here. They turned out good. I got a little bit more trash in this one here. I think it's because it's closer to the vent and everything is flowing this way, so that's all right. Nothing but a little bit of cut and buff will take care of. Over 3 coats of clear. They lay down really sweet, really sweet. So I believe we got one more day. What you guys think, man? Leave me some comments down below. A little bit of metallic in there. Hey, so we getting there, guys. Here we go. Day 3. Tomorrow will be day 4. Hopefully I'll be able to finish up all the parts, man. So I'm tired. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna clean up the rest of the shop here, and we're gonna call it a day. But hey, we started early this morning. We got a lot of stuff accomplished. All the parts looking sweet, guys. Looking really sweet. Can't wait to put them on the truck. But I do believe I'm gonna buff and I'm gonna wet sand them, and I'm gonna go over it with like 1,000 and 2,000, and we'll probably you know, hey, buff and scuff it, baby. So anyway, like I tell you guys at the end of this video, hey, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is on to catch you guys on the next video. Peace.